When you look at the world and its many nations, it's fascinating to see just how varied and vibrant each country is, each with its own story, culture, and unique flag. The flags, often called the faces of nations, symbolize a country's history, values, and dreams. Imagine taking a journey, in alphabetical order, through every country in the world, exploring what their flags look like and the meanings behind their designs. Let's begin our expedition with Afghanistan. The Afghan flag is a vertical tricolor of black, red, and green, with the national emblem in white, centered on the red stripe. The colors represent the country's past, bloodshed for independence, and hope for the future. Moving on to Albania, their flag is striking in its simplicity. A red field with a black, double-headed eagle, symbolizing sovereignty and courage. Next is Algeria, featuring green and white vertical stripes with a red crescent and star in the center, symbols of Islam and peace. Andorra's flag combines blue, yellow, and red vertical stripes, displaying the country's coat of arms, representing the country's ties with Spain and France. Angola showcases a bold red and black flag with a yellow half-gear, machete, and star, signs of industrial and agricultural importance and socialist influence. Continuing, Antigua and Barbuda presents a striking design, red with an inverted isosceles triangle and a sun rising from a blue and white wave, reflecting the new era and the sun, sea, and sand. Argentina is famous for its sky blue and white horizontal stripes, with a shining sun featuring a face at its center, representing the May Revolution. Armenia features 3 horizontal bands of red, blue, and orange, symbolizing bloodshed, peaceful skies, and the fertile land, respectively. Australia's flag incorporates the Union Jack, the Commonwealth Star, and the constellation of the Southern Cross, symbolizing its history and geography. Austria flaunts 3 horizontal stripes in red, white, and red, one of the oldest flags in the world, representing bravery and honor. Azerbaijan's flag has 3 horizontal stripes in blue, red, and green, with a white crescent and an 8-pointed star, reflecting Turkic heritage, modernity, and Islamic values. Bahamas follows, with aquamarine, gold, and black horizontal bands. The black triangle stands for the strength and will of the people, while the colors evoke the country's natural resources. Bahrain's flag is white and red, separated by a serrated line of 5 points symbolizing the 5 pillars of Islam. Bangladesh stands proud with a deep green field and a red disc slightly off-center, green for the country's lushness and red for the blood of its martyrs. Barbados showcases a simple yet meaningful flag, ultramarine, gold, and ultramarine vertical bands with a black trident head in the center, reflecting independence from the colonial past. Belarus features red and green bands with a traditional ornamental pattern, symbols of the country's history and natural beauty. Belgium sports black, yellow, and red vertical stripes, representing the country's coat of arms. Belize's flag includes a royal blue field with a red stripe at the top and bottom, enclosing the national coat of arms surrounded by 50 mahogany leaves, symbolizing the forestry industry. Benin's green, yellow, and red flag embodies hope, wealth, and courage. Bhutan's flag divides diagonally with yellow and orange fields, featuring the thunder dragon, symbolizing authority and spiritual heritage. Bolivia's red, yellow, and green horizontal stripes represent bloodshed for independence, mineral resources, and fertility. Bosnia and Herzegovina's flag is blue with a yellow right triangle and white stars along the hypotenuse, symbolizing peace and a bright future. Botswana prides itself on a light blue field cut by a horizontal black stripe with white borders, indicating harmony and water. Brazil's iconic green flag with a yellow diamond contains a blue globe with stars depicting the Southern Cross and a motto meaning order and progress. Brunei's yellow flag has white and black stripes with the national crest in the center, signifying royalty. Bulgaria's flag displays 3 simple horizontal stripes of white, green, and red. Peace, the land's fertility, and courage. Next, Burkina Faso, whose flag uses red and green horizontal stripes with a yellow 5-pointed star, representing revolution and abundance. Burundi's White Cross divides red and green fields with 3 red stars in the center, standing for unity, work, and progress. Cabo Verde's flag is blue with a circle of 10 yellow stars, symbolizing the nation's islands. Cambodia's design highlights Angkor Wat in the center, framed by red and blue stripes, the country's heritage and religious devotion. Cameroon's vertical green, red, and yellow tricolor features a central yellow star on red, representing unity. Canada's flag, often called the maple leaf, is instantly recognizable. A red field, a white square, and a single red maple leaf. Central African Republic's flag uniquely combines 4 horizontal stripes and 1 vertical one, representing unity and diversity. Chad's flag resembles the Romanian flag, with vertical blue, yellow, and red, symbolizing hope, the sun, and sacrifice. Chile features 2 horizontal bands of white and red, with a blue square and a white star, symbolizing the Andes, sky, and guidance. China, a red field with 1 large and 4 small yellow stars, represents communism and ethnic unity. Colombia's flag is yellow, blue, and red, meaning sovereignty, the ocean, and the blood spilled for freedom. Comoros is unique, with 4 horizontal stripes for its 4 islands, a green triangle with 4 white stars, and a crescent for Islam. Costa Rica's blue, white, and red stripes with its arms boast peace, wisdom, and blood spilled for freedom. Croatia combines red, white, and blue with a unique coat of arms, a checkerboard pattern, and 5 smaller shields. Cuba's flag contains 5 stripes, blue and white, and a red triangle with a white star, symbolizing strength, equality, and independence. Cyprus's flag is white with a copper-yellow map and green olive branches, representing peace between the Greek and Turkish communities. The Czech Republic's flag is 2 horizontal white and red bands with a blue triangle at the hoist. Moving further, Denmark's iconic Dannebrog is a red field with a white Nordic cross, the oldest national flag in continuous use. Djibouti's sky blue, green, and white with a red star in a white triangle represents the sea, the earth, peace, and unity. Dominica's green field with a cross and a Cicero parrot at the center, surrounded by 10 stars, reflect the island's vibrant nature and its districts. The journey continues across the world, each flag a distinct tapestry woven from centuries of culture, conflict, and dreams. From Egypt's bold red, white, and black stripes with the golden eagle of Saladin, symbolizing Arab identity and strength, to Estonia's blue, black, and white tricolor, freedom, the soil, and purity, each flag is as unique as the people it represents. No matter where you are on the globe, the simple sight of a nation's flag has the power to evoke pride, unity, and a sense of belonging. The tapestry of world nations and their flags is a living record, bright, diverse, and continually unfolding, just like the history of humanity itself.